that we also will be leaders in the petrochemical and processing industry. We have that capabilities, and I assure you one thing. Today I had a meeting with bulk drug manufacturers. They were asking me that we want interest subventions, we want common facilities, we want various other power and other incentives, infrastructure incentives, so that we can become globally competitive. Even in petrochemical industry, for our intermediaries and building blocks, it is all inverted tax structure. Various FTAs are troubling us. We need to get our raw material intact. That supply chain should be there. Therefore, we had proposed last time the reverse SEZs. Lot of work has been done vis-a-vis 2-3 countries, Iran as well as Myanmar and Turkmenistan, where we can have our reverse SEZs, where we can build our intermediaries and building blocks and supply it to India for our benefit. Like we have created various fertilizer plants in different countries which have off-take agreements with India, complete off-take agreements with India. In the same way, we need to create reverse SEZs. Today I want to assure you that Government of India is with you, and you also in next 1 week suggest what else Government of India can do vis-a-vis petrochemical industry. I will personally take up the matter with the Honorable Finance Minister as well as the Prime Minister of India, so that these incentives will flow to petrochemical industry to give a big fillip. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you to the Honourable Minister for his very inspiring and motivating message to all. As you mentioned, sir, that this is sunshine time for the industry, and this is actually the time when it is a time for design in India, innovate in India, produce in India, contribute towards Make in India. And in fact, you incentivize everyone when you mention that for renovations, and as you mentioned that the government stands with good support to all of you. But it's yes, the time now for you as industry people to rise to the occasion. So thanking once again the Honourable Minister for his very motivating message to all. And as a token of our gratitude and appreciation, we would like to present a small memento. I would like to request Shri Vijay Shankar Pandeyji, respected Secretary, to please present this memento as expression of our thanks on behalf of everyone present here. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the closure and as we conclude the ceremony, may I request and invite Professor Dr. S.K. Nayak, Director General of CPET, who is also the Chair.
Honorable Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer, Government of India, Sri Anand Kumar Ji. Honorable Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizer, Government of India, Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir Ji. Respected Sri Vijay Shankar Pandeyji, Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer, and President CPET Governing Council. Sri Avinash Joshi Ji, Joint Secretary Petrochemicals, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals. Senior officials from the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, state governments, winners and runners-up of the 6th National Awards for Technology Innovation, and their family members, eminent scientists, academicians from institutions, members from the plastic fraternity, members from the plastic associations, special invitees, members from press and media, team members of CPET, ladies and gentlemen. It's my profound privilege and pleasure to propose vote of thanks on this occasion of this presentation of 6th National Awards for Technology Innovation in Petrochemicals and Downstream Plastic Processing Industry. On behalf of the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Government of India, and my personal behalf, I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Honorable Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri Anant Kumar Ji, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest of today's function and present the awards to the winners and runners-up of the 6th National Award Technology Innovation in Petrochemicals and Downstream Plastic Processing Industry. Sir, your esteemed presence on this occasion is a clear reflection of your commitment to encourage the innovations in petrochemical and downstream plastic industries, which is promoting cost-effective, energy-efficient technology and products. We are all inspired and motivated by your presence, sir. I express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude for the presence of our Honorable Minister of State in Chemicals and Fertilizer, Sri Hansraj Gangaram Iyer Ji, who has kindly accepted our request and graced this occasion on 6th National Award function. I thank wholeheartedly respected Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer, Sri Vijay Shankar Pandey Ji. In fact, the entire function has been organized under his dynamic and visionary leadership. Sir, with your guidance and support and motivation, we could organize this function in a grand manner. Once again, thank you, sir. I express my sincere thanks to the Joint Secretary, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Sri Avinash Joshi Ji, who is instrumental in successfully implementing the scheme on National Awards of Technology Innovation in Petrochemicals and Downstream Plastic Processing Industry, for their active participation in this function. I express my sincere thanks to senior officials of the Administrative Ministry, all departments, eminent scientists, academicians of the institutions, members from the plastic fraternity, members from the plastic associations. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to the members from the press, media who have come over here to provide wide coverage of this function. I thank my entire CPET team who has extended their sincere, systematic and sustained efforts in organizing this event successfully in a very short span of time. I thank all those who have contributed either directly or indirectly towards successfully organizing this National Award function. Thank you once again, one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, congratulations to you and thank you for